welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what is on my phone. So my phone is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I just got this a few weeks ago, and I finally have it set up, and I finally have all my apps moved into this phone. So yeah, I decided to show you what is on my phone, and if you guys enjoy this kind of videos, just keep on watching. So here is my lock screen, and I like to keep it simple, and it has a positive quote, and it says stay positive. The flashlight right here and the camera. Here is my home screen look like. I have 4 icons right here that I don't really use. I'm trying to figure it out how to set up my apps in these icons right here. But for now, they're just for decoration. And then the next page is all the apps that I normally use. So on the top, I have all my search apps. I have the Safari, and then I have my Chrome. I have Google, then I have this setting right there, and then I have Yahoo Mail, calculator, camera, and App Store. And then I have my Gmail, clock, and then the calendar, Snapchat, and then I have my studio, YouTube Studio, and then of course I have my YouTube, and then I have Pinterest, and then I have my Facebook, I have Messenger, I have Skype and Photos, and of course I have a phone, contacts, messages, and FaceTime. And then next page, I have all my folders. I have finance, shopping, I have all my shopping apps right here, and then my social media, and then I have the video editor folder. I have all my apps for editing my video, and then I have utilities. These are the apps that comes with the phone that I never used. And then I have entertainment. I have Disney, Netflix, TV, there is that. And then next is the health and fitness. So I have my iWatch and my iWatch activities. Then I have my photo editor folders. These are all the apps that I use to edit my photos and edit my thumbnails. So I have all this. And then I also have another set of photos, video apps that I use to edit my videos and photos. And then of course I have all my games in this folder. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and till next time.